Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about how can you sign up on Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open your Bitget application and then just simply tap to this app-like icon into the top left corner. And after tapping into there, you will get this option of sign up. Tap into sign up, and after tapping into there, you will get this box where you can enter your email address. Just simply enter your email address into this upper box and enter your password into second one. And while entering the password, you have to make sure that your password must contains the characters between 8 to 32, and then you have to include at least one uppercase, one number and one symbol into your password. Then you just simply have to tap to create account. And after tapping into create account, you have to tap into each symbols from this order right here in order to verify that you are a human. And after verifying this successfully, you will get a OTP code into your email address. Just simply enter the OTP verification code into this box and tap to submit button. Then your account will be verified and it will be sign up successfully. This way you can easily sign up your account on Bitget in 2024. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.